Our All About Gardening class starts January 26th, and it is every Saturday from 3 until 5 for 6 weeks. Now, cost for the class is $40 per person, but if you bring a friend, then it's $60 for 2 people, so you get a $10 discount per person. And we do a lot of great things in the class. So we learn all about soils, we learn about vegetables, we learn about fertilizers, we learn about pests and how to take care of your lawn and just gardening in general. So we really teach you everything you need to know about gardening, whether it's vegetables or fruits or taking care of your lawn, improving your soil, all those great things. But we do a lot of fun experiments during our class. And during the class we do a soil test. So we show you how to do a jar test and figure out what the content of your soil is and how the soil structure is built. But we also teach you how to test your soil for all the nutrients as well too. So you take some of that water and put them in these little containers, add a little slight chemical in there, shake them up, let them sit for about 10 minutes, and then it tells you what your soil pH is, it tells you how much nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is in your soil. So in our class, All About Gardening, taught by me, Mark Anderson, here at Anderson Seed and Garden, we'll do some fun experiments, teach you how to test your soil, learn everything you need to know about gardening, whether you're a novice or have been gardening for lots and lots of years. I promise you'll learn something new in our gardening class January 26th, every Saturday from 3 until 5.